still using traditional methods to measure space? Measurements are often inaccurate. Designs keep getting revised. The problem often isn't in the construction, it's the inaccurate measurements. Therefore, we use professional measurement equipment. 3D scanner. Specifically designed to capture real-world spatial data. Each scan is a process of data capture. We don't just scan, we also check every corner at the same time, ensuring no detail is missed. Convert the space into measurable data, not just for viewing system-generated dimensions. Also can take measurements on demand, so can access the key dimensions anytime. No site visit needed. Also can complete measurements remotely, even when the space is obstructed by furniture. Can remove the furniture with a single click, revealing the true structure of the space. Based on this complete set of data, we can generate accurate floor plans. All accurate designs are start with real data, and this is the IPORT 3D interior design system. We are committed to using 3D technology to replicate real-world spatial data, making the entire design and renovation process smooth, clear, and transparent. To learn more, feel free to contact us.